my goodness. Pull carefully. You can also take there. Alone I can't do it. I cannot get out of these boots. They are falling apart. Oh my goodness. It's tutti. Look at this. Look at this. Need to fix that one. There are some boot makers at least in this country. So here we are in Galle, beside the bus stand. The bus stand is over there. And this is the place where the cobblers of Galle are having their little workshops on the roadside, just beside the channel. And I came here because I have a particular problem. These are my Ernst Haeckel actor boots. They are ruined in one photo shooting. You saw it on the video that these boots actually, they are very old. They are from USA, branded stuff, but I got it second hand in Sri Lanka in an antique shop, and that's the way it will just be normal to finish. They're falling apart. So we have this cobbler, very skilled man. He's going to do that. Let's look at the we'll have it here. 2 hours already finished. He said in 2 hours he can solve that problem. Right, that's great. I will be very grateful if he can succeed to save these boots, because how can I get other ones for my video after? Okay, let's see you in 2 hours, okay? Back only 2 hours after I left my broken boots, and one is already repaired. Wow, I think that looks really nice. There's some saving, that's good, handmade. And he's still working on the left boot. Using the very strong needle, cutting the leather, the old style. Now because of my video I cannot put a rubber sole or anything modern, because that would be visible in some moments, so I have to stick with the leather sole, and you can imagine in the tropical climate that is always something you need to repair.
Very good leather, huh?
Yeah, that's a special needle. It's very leather. Strong. How did you go through all this? Did you put some nails?
Very good leather.
Really? Ende? You put some nails? Oh, I will have to put my foot inside, of course.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. I'll try now. I'll try. Okay, let's make a trial. I hope it will not explode. Yeah, one video about my boot. This one. Let's see. Inside, it's working. And it's holding, my goodness. Now I'm a little bit hitting it because that's also good. You put some glue? Let's try the second one. Let's try the second one. Right on the spot. If there's a nail, they can still take like this. It's okay. There we are. Good. 100% satisfied. We'll have to modify them in higher boots too. So here we are. And he's helping me too because they're so tight. He's helpful. Ali, pull, no problem. Pull. Out. Okay, good. It's so much better without anything on the feet in this climate. How much I must pay?
2,200.
He's speaking English. They does this here. Okay, thank you so much. Look, but I want to show 2,200. That's not that much anymore in Sri Lanka now, because inflation. I mean, that used to be like $10, but now I think it's just $7 for repairing the boots. Kodaki stuti. Hey, goodbye. Bye. So at the bus stand, very close to the bus stand, you find these people every day.